Welcome back to TJ&B Traveling. Today we're heading to Paphos, where we'll be exploring Cyprus for an entire week. We're excited because it's our first time in Cyprus and this trip is gonna be epic. Join us as we share our first impressions, discover some cool beaches, and explain why Cyprus could be your next travel destination. Let's go. Boom. So shout out to easyJet Holidays for our check-in that allowed us to get some exit seats for our 4-hour journey, actually 5-hour journey, because we spent 1 hour sat on the runway waiting to leave. So all good now. Since we are going to be doing lots of things here in Cyprus, we have decided to rent a car, and that's what we've got to go pick up now, if we can find it. Alright, so we've arrived now, we've got our car and we are ready to head to our hotel. We booked this car through discovercars.com. Their process is super simple, really easy and reliable. They have multiple rental companies that you can rent through. They got us set up with Airalo, so we waited for a few minutes, called them up, got a shuttle over here. That was really simple, right? Like everything's booked in, we're fully insured. Hopefully we won't need it. When booking with Discover Cars, you just have to go to their website and you can search for your city, country and dates, and there will show you a display of all the options that you have available to you. Cheaper than anywhere else that we checked, so let's hope that the quality side of things held up. This car seems good so far. We are set to go. We'll take it for a drive, get to the hotel, and let's go. We have now arrived at the room. Here is our bed, and it is time to go there. Catch you in the morning. And good morning. What a beautiful day it is here in Paphos. We're staying at the Kefalonitis Hotel and Apartments. We booked this through easyJet Holidays, which we don't normally do because we're only staying here for a week. It was the most budget-friendly way of doing so, and I've got to be honest, I'm impressed. Got a little balcony out here. It is very warm. Not a beautiful view, but that's a place to relax, place to hang our wash. Our entire apartment is basically behind me, except for the bathroom. But as you can see, the kitchen is very well equipped. In fact, I would say the kitchen is better equipped than most Airbnbs that we stay at. We've got cups, mugs, loads of plates and bowls. There's a weird contraption that's actually a hob and a microwave, or is it an oven? I guess it's an oven. Is it an oven and a microwave? Whatever, it's a pretty nifty piece of kit, so we can actually do a little bit of cooking. Not sure how much we're gonna do this week. Saucepans, a decent sized fridge. Very impressed with how well equipped this place is. Of course, we've already got ourselves started with the coffees. We bought this from Vietnam. We love our Vietnamese coffee. And then B's just left the bathroom. Nothing overly crazy, but not bad. One not perfect experience is just that this whole apartment is powered by this one small AC unit. But it's actually been all right, and good night's sleep, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna ask them for a fan.
Just to blow the AC onto us?
Because a few times at night I felt like, fuck, this is way too hot.
We've been in the UK for a bit, so we're not used to this hot weather. Yeah. So one way to acclimatise is to actually just get out and do it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go explore Paphos, and now because we've got our rental car, everything is much easier. We don't have to just walk everywhere in this heat. So let's go do that. So normally we spend our first day or two like really organising our apartment when we arrive in a place, but because we're only here for a week, we're a little bit rushed because we're not going to get too much as far as groceries go, as far as like things for the apartment go. We're just going to get a couple groceries, I guess, to sort of tie us over, and we're also going to make sure that we enjoy the beach.
Yes.
Let's go.
So we're at Let Them Eat Cake, and I'm already impressed. So we judge cafes and restaurants by the food. So
Yeah. Here is my almond latte.
back to European coffees again. This is great. Because English coffees aren't European coffees.
No.
This is a Cypriot coffee, not a Turkish coffee. There's some sort of difference, we just don't know what. Oh yeah, that's
Good.
good is not the word. The word is almost powdery and grindy in a way. It's pure. This is a iced latte, so
Delicious, right?
yeah, very good. This is like rocket fuel, Cypriot coffee. But a little bit lighter than Turkish coffee. Breakfast is there.
They're not joking when they're talking about breakfast. Huh? Look at this. Amazing. All vegan. Can you believe that, DJ?
Yeah. Phenomenal. Really decent portions as well. Great food. Amazing tasting vegan food for a place that isn't just a vegan specialty, but the granola, so much fresh fruit, delicious. This with the fresh peanut butter.
Yes.
And it's nice with this beautiful view as well.
Really
Good
amazing.
morning. This view.
This whole area is very, very beautiful, but I think because it's a Sunday, is everything very quiet. There is no much open really. We're gonna come here
Empty.
again. Yeah, it's very empty, and check it out again during the week to see the difference. But today is very, very chill, very calm. We even think this is quite weird because everywhere we go, we're just so busy. And right now, this is really empty.
I love that Europe does waters every time you get a coffee.
Yes, look at this view. That's great.
This whole bay is beautiful. Very chill. Well, it's Sunday, so it's chill, but it's a very chill, nice little cafes on the front, and then really clean water, but also ways for you to get in and swim, which is great. I'm very impressed. Very clean and beautiful. Mediterranean vibes.
It's so nice. People here also are lovely. Like it's been quite nice. Yeah, enjoying so far.
But you didn't know what to expect from Cyprus. Britain and Cyprus have quite a strong relationship, but it's otherwise just a small island in the Mediterranean, so a lot of people don't know a lot about it, but it's very pretty. And also lots of, like, it's a blend of being like nice and modern and updated and clean,
Yeah.
but then also a lot of ruins and buildings and stuff as well around. This is really cool.
It's very pretty. Really impressed. So this is our final stop of the day before we go to the grocery store, get some dinner, and we are at the Tomb of the Kings. I don't really know much about this place. I know there used to be a cemetery. I know they're supposed to be very cool too. So we're just gonna go explore a little bit, check out the tombs, and see what this place has to offer. Excited. Very hot.
Yeah, it's hot. And these lads are loud, as you can hear.
Very loud.
But yeah, this will be interesting.
First tomb of
Luckily,
the day.
thanks to Airalo, which you can find a link to if you don't know how to get data abroad. Airalo is the best way. We use them all the time. We've already got our Airalo sorted, so we have data to be able to see. So this is tomb 1.
I think this place is quite cool because this thing's been here like forever, but I would not come here if I'm like short on time because it's not that much to see or find out. There's not much story about it. That was a quite nice experience, but if you're short on time, I would not recommend you doing this because it's just like kind of waste.
So, we're all lined up perfectly to go for a vegan meze here in Cyprus. That'd be perfect way to set up our first day here on the Mediterranean island. And unfortunately, they close on Sundays, so we were in a rush to find a different place. We had another vegetarian meze platter, but lots of other pastries and stuff that were with it, so we couldn't have that either. And we were a little bit picky, and then walked along. We realised that Pizza Express, not a place that I've been to in the last 10 years. It's not a place B ever goes. So, you know, we're sort of venturing back. We're English-Italian place in Cyprus, but they have a whole vegan menu, which is amazing for us. We get to eat good food and round off our first day really well.
Oh, soup, bruschetta. They're very good. So try it. Delicious.
Yeah, the mushrooms in here are very good.
Let's eat and then we're gonna give our reviews.
Alright, so what did you think of the pizza?
I think it was good, yeah. I think it was more doughy than I was expecting, but overall it was good.
Yeah, very nice, and that's a nice end to the day. Look at this view.
This place now is just looking so nice and quite busy already.
We're going to finish this video here with this amazing view. We've got a whole week here, so thanks to discovercars.com. We have lots of stuff planned for this week that we're going to get into. We'll bring you along for the ride. If you want to make sure to tune into them, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Hit thumbs up if you've made it all the way to the end and have enjoyed this video. Say hello to us in the comments below. We always love reading and responding to your comments. It's so cool to share our travels with you. So thank you so much for watching and allowing us to do so.
See you in the next one. Bye.